Hi guys, I'm Devyani and today I'm going to talk to you about something super cool. It is indeed the IFITech 1080p HD hidden camera and I'm here to tell you all about its top 5 features. So let's dive right in. The best part about this product is that it requires no prior setting and is a plug-and-play surveillance camera. All you have to do is insert the SD card, plug this guy into a power socket and the video will start recording. The HD color video camera literally gives you a 70% viewing experience and is equipped with 30 FPS, thereby giving you a full-on HD experience. The camera is motion sensitive and literally picks up and starts recording on every movement that you do. The best part is that the camera recording runs on loop. Every time your SD card gets full, don't stress because new footage will be overwritten over the old one. Due to the nature of this product, the best part is that its compact size makes it extremely portable. So you can sit in the comfort of your home and keep a watch on every corner of the world. That's it from me guys. I know this was a super cool product and I know for a fact after this video, you can't wait to get your hands on it. I'll see you guys in my next video and until then, as I always say, stay safe and keep browsing.